Let's create a lemon icon. So let's start by selecting the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Now I'm going to change the stroke color to a bright pink, and also the fill color to a lighter pink. I'm going to change the stroke width as well to make it more visible. And then select the circle and click Control C on your keyboard to copy and Control F to paste to front. Make the circle smaller and change the fill to white and stroke to none. I'm going to click Control F to paste to front again and make this really small circle, which I'm going to delete later, so it's not important. It's just a guide circle I'm using for the video. Now select the pen tool and draw a straight line that goes through the center of the circle. I'm using the direct selection tool to make the line smaller so it goes just a little bit over the white circle. Just in case the line isn't at the center, I'm going to use the align options to align to center. Again, I'm going to change the line stroke width to make it thicker. Select the line and use the rotate tool to rotate 45 degrees, and then Control D to copy twice. Select all 4 lines and go to Object Expand. And then go to Pathfinder Unite. Just so we don't lose the little circle, I'm going to select everything and send it back. Now select all 4 lines that you have united and the white circle. Use the Shape Builder tool and click on each one of the 8 triangles that are formed. Also, we're going to delete these little pieces of the line that are left over out of the circle. And delete the united lines. Again, select all 8 triangles that are formed. Use the direct selection tool to round all angles. Now go to Object Group. I am also going to delete what is left of the white circle and that small circle I created earlier. Select the group and paste to back to paste the white circle again, and then just make your group smaller. Here is our lemon icon that I made pink, as in pink lemon, but you are free to do yellow or orange for an orange. I'm also going to add this text by using the type tool, pink on top and lemon on the bottom, changing the font and the color to light pink. Type, create outlines. I'm going to align everything and select just the text, which is now converted to shape. Copy, paste to back, and add the dark pink to the stroke and fill. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this short tutorial, please subscribe and follow my page.